Hi, my name is Dr. Tisa Flores, and I'm the Medical Director of Cancer Screening and Survivorship here at Roswell Park Comprehensive Cancer Center. Today, we are here to talk about your unique needs as a cancer survivor and help you to move towards a higher level of wellness. Finishing your cancer therapy is a big milestone. As you graduate from active treatment to survivorship, we understand how your medical history can affect your continued health and quality of life. Our survivorship program brings together many of Roswell Park's clinical and supportive services designed specifically for you as you move forward and learn to embrace your new journey. What are the benefits of being in the survivorship program? We detect and manage any complication or side effects from your disease and its treatment, restore your body and soul with rehabilitative therapy, nutrition counseling, and emotional support and guidance. Create a plan that will be your roadmap to your healthiest lifestyle possible. Surgery, chemotherapy, radiation, transplant, and other cancer treatments are harsh on the body, and many cancer survivors are at a higher risk for medical and psychosocial effects, such as fatigue, issues with sleep, financial problems, other cancers, sexual issues, heart issues, anxiety, depression, chronic pain, nerve pain, as well as stress on your caregivers. So how can we help? Our team will develop a long-term personalized care plan according to your specific diagnosis and treatment history. It will provide your cancer treatment and history, possible effects of your treatment, recommendations to your primary care provider on long-term monitoring, recommendations on preventive care and health promotion, and timely screening and surveillance scans. Your survivorship visit can link you to social support and guidance, such as spiritual care, support groups, and one-on-one counseling to address post-treatment adjustment, anxiety, and stress. Referral to rehabilitation services such as physical, occupational, and speech therapy and lymphedema treatment. We can connect you to legal and financial assistance to help you sort through issues with returning to work, collecting disability benefits, securing health and/or life insurance, completing an advance directive, living will, and healthcare proxy. Referrals to help you kick smoking through counseling or nicotine replacement, pediatric, adolescent, and young adult survivorship services designed specifically for those who had cancer as a child, teen, or young adult. We hope to support you on your cancer journey. Talk with your primary care provider or oncologist for referral or self-refer. Speak with your Roswell Park care team or make an appointment for your survivorship visit. We are located in the Scott Beeler Clinical Science Center on the 3rd floor.